Good morning, everyone. So, welcome back for today's session of मस्ती की पाठशाला. आज हम कुछ नया करने वाले हैं और वो नया क्या है वो अभी हम विद इन फ्यू सेकेंड्स देखते हैं. एंड मेरे साथ आपके लिए हमारे पास डॉल्फिन्स इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की एक बहुत ही प्यारी टीचर है. सो पहले हम उस टीचर से मिलते हैं और उसको हाई करते हैं और उनसे पूछते हैं कि उनको हमारी मस्ती की पाठशाला कैसी लग रही है. सो
Good
वेलकम
evening,
अक्षरा.
ma'am.
So welcome Akshara to a very beautiful class of Masti Ki Pathshala. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, so पिछले कुछ टाइम से हम लोग मस्ती की पाठशाला कर रहे हैं और आपने भी काफी क्लासेस कराए हैं मस्ती की पाठशाला में. I know you are an amazing art teacher as well. आपकी काफी creativity देखी है हमने. So what do you
Thank you so
say
much, ma'am.
about this initiative we have taken for Masti Ki Pathshala?
Ma'am, this was a really nice experience for me, and it was a daily learning platform for everybody of us, as we people have been through this online, the technical things, but we have never used it in our life this much. So this is the platform you all have, you and Jagdish sir has given to us, and we are just taking full advantage of it. We had a really nice time interacting with the kids, and it was a lot of fun.
And you know, the best part with this is that I was also not the same 3 months back. I was one who used to run away from the technology and everything. But yes, the credit goes to our Master Blaster, Jagdish sir, who brought
Definitely.
technology for all of us. And now he's motivating us to make everybody attached with the learning. And then the motto we have, making learning fun, the inspiration comes from there, that every day something dhamal, something new should be there so that it is all amazing for all of us. So
It is,
Akshara,
ma'am. It is.
I'll take you to online library. How good you are in reading? कैसी किताबें पढ़ते हो?
Yeah, I have read some of the storybooks before. Some of the novels, like I've been the Firemaker daughter, and I have read some Hindi novels as well. So I love reading, but since because of the busy schedule, I never get time to go through my storybooks a lot. But yes, during this lockdown, I've started working on this hobby as well. So yes,
Okay.
ma'am,
I
I love reading.
I will really appreciate that. Yes, reading is one of the amazing hobby one can have. मैंने बहुत छोटी थी तब मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे बुक्स के वर्ल्ड से इंट्रोड्यूस कराया एंड दैट वर्ल्ड वाज ऑल अबाउट बुक्स. एंड मैं छोटी थी, अकेली थी, कोई भाई बहन नहीं था मेरा. सो आई यूज टू कंप्लेन माई मॉम कि मम्मी मेरे मैं किसके साथ खेलूं. तो माय मॉम गेव मी बाल हंस, उस समय चंपक, आई थिंक, हाँ चंपक. उन्होंने मुझे चंपक दी और
Yes,
बोला कि
Tinkles
तुम्हारी
as well.
ये तुम्हारी फ्रेंड है और इसके साथ समय बिताओ. And I think I started with Champak, then all the comics, Chacha Chaudhary, Billu, Pinky, all that. Then moved to Balhan, Suman Saurabh. So this was my journey, and till now, as you see, there are a lot of books. I have a big book cupboard of books, and I love buying books. I love gifting books. So and अब नया जमाना आ गया है, ऑफ कोर्स. तो हम ऑनलाइन लाइब्रेरी के बारे में पता करते हैं एंड मैं तुमको लेके चलती हूँ ऑल टुगेदर अ ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड ऑफ एपिक लाइब्रेरीज. तो ये एपिक करके एक कंपनी है जो ऑनलाइन बुक्स देता है. सो आपको रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा, रजिस्ट्रेशन फ्री है. सो इट इज नॉट कॉस्टिंग यू एनीथिंग.
Okay,
सो डोंट
that's
फील,
wonderful.
डोंट बी अफ्रेड कि कुछ पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. अभी ये जून 30 तक फ्री है बिकॉज लॉकडाउन चल रहा है. उसके बाद का मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती. ओके. तो
But
यू कैन
yes,
सी.
if it is available right now,
हाँ, या इट इज
sorry, ma'am,
अवेलेबल राइट.
if it is available, so we will definitely take full advantage of it, and we'll just have our kids also to go through these books, and they can have their best out of it.
या सो यू कैन सी आई हैव मेड माय अकाउंट. सो मेरा एक अकाउंट मिसेस मंगलानी के नाम से बना हुआ है और मैं आपको नीचे दिखाती हूँ कि इसमें बहुत सारे अमेजिंग वीडियोस हैं. और आप बुक्स एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो। मैंने अपने छोटे बेटे के लिए क्लास के हिसाब से 7th ग्रेड की बुक्स को चुना था। देन यू कैन हैव बुक्स ऑन मैथ्स, लैंग्वेजेस, and then the top world series, if you like
Oh,
amazing stories on होता है ना Guinness Book Record and all that, so everything is there. So
oh wow.
let me take you to the world of amazing books. So you have videos here also, ऑडियोज भी हैं आपके पास, ऑडियो बुक्स जो अपने आप सुनाई देती हैं। देन यू हैव रीड टू मी बुक्स, कि आपके लिए हैव एवेंजर कॉमिक्स, मार्वल्स की कॉमिक है अपने पास। सो मैं अभी आपको लेके चलती हूँ छोटे बच्चों के लिए। हमारे पास we have something for our nursery KG kids, we have something for our first second students, and we have a lot of things for everybody. So are you excited?
Yes, ma'am. Too excited to go through it.
Okay, so, so let me take you to a world of weird but true facts. So this is my first show to you, and my favorite is koala, as I have been showing you people from last 2 days, the world of koalas and everything.
I
So
loving it too.
so now this is a fun fact book which contains lot of facts for you. So you see two uh, arrows, the top arrow and the last arrow. So the world's biggest flower found in the Indonesian rainforest can grow wider than a car tire. तो ये फैक्ट
Oh.
तुमको, मुझे पेट करती हूँ नहीं पता था कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा जो फ्लावर है वो टायर की, कार के टायर से भी बड़ा होता है। यस, एंड अ
Yes,
स्नीज
that's a new learning. I
या एंड अ स्नीज ट्रेवल्स 100 miles an hour। ये पता था कि
no,
एक
no, ma'am.
स्नीज आगे चल सकती है। Okay, now this is I have assigned to it, so I can move forward. So I am going to 40 page because I don't have much time to show all the things, but yes, I can give you things. Bats are the only mammals that fly. आई थिंक बैट्स, लोगों को लगता है कि बर्ड्स है, पर बैट्स आर नॉट बर्ड्स, दे आर मैमल्स, और ये
Not
शायद
birds.
कोरोना
Yeah,
वायरस
ma'am.
इसी ने फैलाया है। नॉट श्योर, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट पीपल आर टॉकिंग
Not
अबाउट।
sure, ma'am.
या एंड एलिगेटर्स कैन लिव टू बी 80 years old। बहुत बुढ़े एलिगेटर्स हैं हमारे पास। So this is just one show where you can learn different facts. Now I am showing you one comic. So let's go to a comic. This was a weird fact books. बहुत सारे weird facts हैं जो हमको नहीं पता है, तो parents can read for their kids. So now I'm showing you
Okay.
Cat Ninja. In this epic library, and it is a read aloud book. So I am playing
Ow! Oof! Crazy old lady! Ow! I give! I give!
Akshara, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
I think there was little connection problem, and I we were out for a few seconds.
Yes, ma'am. There was
So,
a
but the
network
internet
issue.
I think has picked up. So this cat ninja was, yeah, there was some problem with the internet connection. I think it is raining and that's why it has some problem. Okay, now
Yes,
there
ma'am.
are some books which I have selected for myself. So you can see books for Mrs. Manglani. So I've taken Sleeping. There was Sleeping Beauty, but here it says Sleeping Bronte. So,
Okay.
so, so there is something different. It is not the fairy tale. Now there is,
Mhm.
instead of Cinderella, there is Cinderella Rex. So you can see Cinderella, but
Hmm.
it is a part of T Rex. And then there is
Okay.
something called Rapunzel, but here you can see Petra Punzel. So you have all different amazing things, and I am really
I
fond
can.
of animals. So
Oh,
this
wow.
book is Colors in Nature.
In nature.
So that is all about different colors available in nature. So if you see, we can see a lot of green things. Many trees have leaves that change color in the fall. These trees called evergreen trees. These are pine trees. So they are talking about all the different colors. And you know,
Okay.
Akshara, kids also like colors.
Yes, ma'am. They do.
What
Even
what is
we
your
also
favorite
love
color?
color. My favorite color is pink.
Let me
You
see
and
if
me,
I
we
can
both
find.
love pink, ma'am.
Yes, if there is a pink flamingo for you.
Yes.
So yeah,
That's
pink is
wonderful.
cute. So, according to your choice, Akshara, you can go to any of these books and you can start reading. And I'll show you one beautiful video which is in this library, which they have created with animals. So, I'll go to my library,
Okay.
favorites, and my favorite books. And I created some recent. Yeah, I am Dolphin. I'll show you an amazing video. I hope internet supports me. Yes, it is working.
It's loading.
So, as we are all enjoying dolphins, let us see what dolphins is.
Hello there. Do you want to play with me? I just love to play. I'm a dolphin. I may look like a fish, but I'm actually a mammal like you. We're one of the most clever animals on the planet. Only you humans are smarter than us. And we come in lots of shapes and sizes. Dolphins can live to be 40 years old. Hey, where are you guys going? We've got to be really careful not to get caught in things like tuna nets. Phew, that was close. Oh, I need some air. Dolphins breathe at the surface of the water, and to look out for danger, we only sleep with one half of our brains at a time. Where was I? Oh, yes, we use echolocation to find things in the water. That means we send out pings of sound, and when they bounce off some tasty fish, we can tell what they are and how far away. Yum, yum! We live all over the world in groups called pods. And did I mention, we dolphins just love to have fun. Whee! See you later!
Okay, so this was all for Dolphin. So yes, Akshara, what you have to say regarding this epic library?
This is wonderful, ma'am. We can learn a lot from this epic library, and there are many facts which I have never heard before. So it was a wonderful experience for me, and I definitely use this library for my personal growth and my learning as well. So thank you so much.
Yes, and I request each one of you, we will send you the link in the comment box where you can go and click. This library is free till 30th of June. So please take the benefit of it and utilize it. And request for all the fathers, as I told these people, to start reading books for their kids. तो स्टार्ट रीडिंग किड्स. हम लोग तो घर पे हैं नहीं आपके, तो आपको ही थोड़ी सी काम करना पड़ेगा. तो मम्मी पापा जिसके पास भी थोड़ा सा टाइम हो, 10 मिनट 15 मिनट अपने बच्चों के लिए किताबें पढ़िए. They really will get a lot of knowledge with all these books. So thank you, Akshara. Nice talking to you, and catch you soon again.
Thank you, ma'am. See you. Bye bye.